Alright, we got another unboxing. Another one from APMEX. It's pretty heavy. Nice package there, huh? Well, this one, the peel line is like attached to it. Look at the scissors. Looking pretty good so far. This is wrapped really weird. Anyway. So these are all 4.9 silver. I really like these bars. These are 10 ounces. RMC and APMEX. And usually they're like really low over spot. They look pretty great though, I think. Let's see. The bottom's the front, the top's the back. That looks pretty awesome. Look how thick they are too. I mean, that's pretty thick. Alright. So that's 30 ounces. There's a roll. Another roll. These are the same exact brand and design, except these right here are the rounds, 1 ounce rounds. Let's see what these look like here. That is nice. Look at that. Co-branded again. So yeah, I don't know, I like it. So basically you got these. That's 40 ounces, and then 30 more, so 70 altogether, the same kind. These are 10-ounce bars, and then just the 1-ounce rounds. So I don't know, cool little pickup. It was pretty cheap. So all right, see you later.